How's it going, everyone? This is Captain with Confidence as the Answer. Thanks for watching my channel. And in today's episode, I want to share with you the following is, what does true confidence actually feel like? And let me explain. And it's really simple, actually, and please forgive me if I'm cliched or too simplistic, but I'll explain with some certain examples. That way it makes sense, and that way you can bridge the gap so that you feel the confidence that you're looking for. And true confidence, what does that feel like? Is actually having self-love, ultimate self-love for yourself. And how does that look like? How does that feel like? And I'm going to give you several examples. Say, for example, you're a woman and you see another woman in the room where potentially you are working, or in a bar, or in a situation where there's competition, a highly competitive environment. If you don't feel threatened by that woman, or any woman for that matter, and your integrity as a person is intact, and the love for yourself is intact, that's what self-love, that's what confidence should feel like, because you validate yourself. If you're a man, for example, and a beautiful woman walks in the room, and you don't feel small, you don't feel intimidated by her beauty at all, you're not fazed at all, but you remain whole, you remain intact, you remain strong and grounded in your foundation, not any small, not threatened by anyone, needless hurt, and you feel courageous and confident. That's having love for yourself. That right there is the essence. And you never forget that. That's what true confidence feels like. And don't ever forget that essence. Those moments right there where you're whole and intact and you're grounded. That is what true confidence feels like. Another example could be, say, for example, you see somebody and they're just passing by. They could be driving a really nice car, and from the looks of things, it looks like they have power and influence and material wealth. And while all those things are great, they can change people's lives. Even though someone else has it, if you're experiencing feelings of envy or insecurity or jealous, and we're all human, we're not all entirely, we're all vulnerable. No one is entirely immune, because we all do feel that to a certain degree, some more, some less. The goal here is to be confident in ourselves by having love for ourselves and being whole and intact. And if that person who has the power, who has the wealth, who has influence, if they don't faze you, if their presence and their power doesn't distract you, it doesn't make you feel small, but you feel grounded, whole, and you feel confident and courageous in the moment, that's what true confidence feels like. And that's something that you have to do every single day. What is the dialogue that you're having with yourself? Here, because that's where it starts. Daily. If you affirm the negative, then you will invite into your life fear, worry, and doubt, insecurity, jealousy. If you feed the positive and reinforce the positive, you will be whole, you will be grounded, you will have courage, you will have faith that things will work out in your favor. And guess what? It will manifest. And ultimately, that brings that self-love. The love that's free from judgment. The love that you validate for you. Your validation comes from yourself. It comes from your achievements. It comes from how you think of yourself, how you feel about yourself, not outwardly, not externally. And that's the key. That is the essence that I was talking about earlier. So I want to invite you, I want to encourage you to seek validation from within and to affirm the positive so that you experience that self-love. Because in that self-love is everything that you've been looking for. It's the courage, it's the faith, and it's the confidence that we want in order to succeed in our life. This has been the Captain. Confidence is the answer. Please share, like, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Help me grow this channel. I really appreciate you. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Confidence is the answer. Welcome to your new life.